Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 2 Part 1. Question 1 to 15. Let's begin. Question number 1. Blank, her name Eliza. No, blank. A. What, it isn't. B. Is, she isn't. C. Is, it is not. D. Is, it isn't. Two. Is your surname Anderson? A. Yes, you are. B. Yes, it is. C. Yes, I am. D. Yes, my is. Three. Is she American? No, blank. A. Hers isn't. B. She isn't. C. She is not. D. She her isn't. Four. Blank, their names Jack and Benny. Yes, blank. A. Are, they are. B. Aren't, there are. C. Am, there. D. Is, there. Five. Is your dog 2 years old? Yes, blank. A. It's. B. Dog is. C. It is. D. It's. Six. Is your elder brother married? No, blank. A. Brother isn't. B. He isn't. C. He is not. D. She isn't. Seven. Are you from Senegal? No, blank. A. I'm not. B. I don't. C. I am not. D. I not. Eight. Blank, Martha English. Yes, she, blank. A. Is, isn't. B. Are, is. C. Is, is. D. Are, is. Nine. Blank, her surname Smith. No, it, blank. A. What, isn't. B. Is, is. C. Is, isn't. D. Isn't. Ten. Are you a student? Yes, I, blank. A. Am. B. Have. C. Is. D. Am not. 11. Blank, you from Barcelona? No, I'm not. A. Is. B. Are. C. Do. D. Where. Twelve. Blank, you married? No, I, blank. A. Aren't, am. B. Are, am. C. Is, am not. D. Are, am not. Thirteen. Blank, is Brenda? She's Patrick's wife. A. What? B. Who? C. Which? D. Where? Fourteen. My teacher's name, blank, John. A. Are. B. Is. C. Am. D. Not. Fifteen. Marcus and Carlos, blank, my brothers. A. Is. B. Am. C. Are. D. Be.